Hey, how's it going? Today I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to use an electric chainsaw real quick. How to cut branches and trees, smaller pieces. It's just what I found the easier way to do it. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's gonna be kind of loud, but if you're doing it, you just wear your safety glasses. If you got any earmuffs, earplugs, something, just because chainsaw is pretty loud. But all right, key thing here is try to keep this the back end close to the log you're gonna cut. That way, because it has a handle, so you're putting pressure, uh, more pressure on the back end, so you can press it down. And as you're cutting down, then move the chainsaw forward just like that. Cut the front, then put pressure again. Cut more deeper on the bottom, on the back side. Then keep doing it like this, until you finish cutting the log. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's gonna be kind of loud. Okay, just like that. Now I'm gonna show you again real quick. Okay, when you set your log, if it uh if it's bended, you know, the middle's bended down. When you cut it, it's gonna hold your saw blade and stuff like that. What you want to do, like this log's in like this, so I'm gonna cut maybe halfway, then I'm gonna put it on the ground, and I'm gonna turn it the other way and cut it this way. That way, the log don't pinch my blade from my saw. Like I say, you can set it anywhere where it's stable. You can do it on the ground if you want. Okay, just like that. So again, uh, right here, the tip is when you're cutting with your chainsaw, uh, try to keep the log at the back side. That way you can put pressure down when you're cutting. Uh, Cut the back side first, then go forward, and just like this until you cut the whole log off. All right, hopefully this video was helpful, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.